So, here's the deal. A little over a month ago, I was named Broker of the Month with the Franchise Brokers Association. What an incredible honor. Totally wasn't expecting it, was I, buddy? But as a result of being named Broker of the Month for the month of September, I received this massive, it's almost bigger than me, this massive swag box. So, this is not gonna be my typical YouTube video. This is gonna be an unboxing video. We're gonna open this together. I have no idea what's in here, but hey, it was sent to me from one of the brand families that I represent, and I'm excited to share with you what's in here. All right, let's do this. All right, let's see what the first thing to come out of the box is. This is cool. So, here we have a really cool luggage thing, but it's like for picnics and tailgating and things like that because it's thermal. It's got like these drink holder things here. You open it up and it's like thermal on the inside, so it's going to keep all your stuff cold. All kinds of zipper pockets, and it's on wheels. So, very cool. I like this. Thanks, guys. All right, let's see what we have next here. Oh yeah, you put your little freezy thing in here, I believe, to keep everything cool. All right, very nice. Thanks, Authority Brands. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we have a cool backpack here. This is a High Sierra backpack from Authority Brands. So I think, based on what I'm seeing in the box, I think they're preparing me for a trip. At least that's what I'm going to continue to think in my imagination, like a around the world backpacking, trekking trip of some sort, because I have my thermal thing where I can keep cold stuff cold and hot stuff hot and not die from starvation and stuff. And now I have a backpack to carry my my stuff in. So it's kind of shaping up that way. I wonder where they're going to send me. Very cool. Okay, let's see what's in the box next. All right, here we have a duffel. It's shaping up. It's shaping up to be a trip, guys. So we have the duffel bag, Authority Brands, again from High Sierra. I don't know that brand prior to today, but I'm looking forward to discovering the brand. So very cool. And I want to make sure I open these because there might be like plane tickets or resort reservations or something like that. But, oh, okay. There's a packet of drying agent silica gel, and it appears I'm not supposed to eat this. So, okay, great. Awesome. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Woohoo! There we go. Camelback. Nice water bottle here, or Dr. Pepper bottle, water, or Dr. Pepper, or coffee. As you can see, I'm typically very well hydrated as I work. So, hey, very nice water bottle here. Love it. Thanks, guys. There's more. All right, got a cool box here. It's got record players and microphones and cassette players. So let's see what we got. Oh, cool. It's a little mini boombox speaker for my desk. So I can hydrate. I can listen to my music, like loud, booming music if I choose to, while I plan the trip that I'm going to be taking with all of this luggage that they sent me. So, love it. Put back in the bubble wrap here. No, actually, I'm going to play with the bubble wrap later. All right, that goes back in the box. There's more. Pens. Always need a good pen. I'm always losing my pens. So, yes, I can use pens. And I've got like a whole bunch of this stuff to play with. I scared my dog. But I'm going to have just as much fun with this stuff as I am with the other stuff. So, all right. Hey, that is my swag box. So, again, this came from Authority Brands, congratulating me on winning the Broker of the Month award for the month of September. Super excited. So, hey, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Authority Brands here in a moment. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that unboxing as much as I did. What fun. Thank you again so much to the folks at Authority Brands for sending that my way. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I promise you all the videos are not all this silly. We do like to have fun, but I wanted to share that moment with you. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, my name is William Huffhine. I'm the founder and president of Quantum Franchise Group, and I help people, aspiring business owners, make the dream of business ownership a reality by connecting them with outstanding franchise brands. I represent over 800 companies across 40 industries, and as we wrap up this video, I'm going to introduce you very quickly just a sneak peek into 15 of those brands that are under the umbrella of Authority Brands, the company that sent me this awesome box. So, thanks again for being here. Here's a sneak peek into what I can help you with Authority Brands.